Alright, everybody, it's original Country Boy and welcome to my channel. Yeah, today is not one of those vibey, highty-tighty video actually. Yeah, not even gonna spend any time I edit, it's just something I want to put out there. Yeah, so basically, it's so funny I did such a splendid intro video to 2022 explaining that there are lots going on, and I was creative while making that intro 22 video. I say yo, I go start but YouTube now, and the same thing them start happening again. It's like me not understand in a sense, but life I got cheer down sometimes. Basically, you can't always have it easy, but the irony is so on point. Like when I talk about how goat them just always a dead off and them thing there and so on, and me I lose more than than me again. I try to build a business, and then the next thing you know, so you think it a go stop. You realize it just continue. So imagine now, I'm a young goat farmer. I'm in business with the respective individuals, my partners, and we're trying to build a goat farm, right? So it's like there's a lot of work that goes into it. You have to make sure say the goat them secure at night time. You have to make sure say they are fed properly. You have to make sure say you deworm them. You have to make sure you give them the minerals. You have to graze with them, and you have to put in hours. Having goats is like having kids. Basically, you have to put in hours on top of hours. Right now, a bush me there. Bush me there. In the background, you see that right there, sir? Yeah, man. That's a pen we're trying to get. We're trying to finish it to structure the thing properly. But may I tell you why I make that video now. It's the downside to this thing is like, man, you have attack from all angles while raising goat. No lie. It's like for instance, this video is basically to tell you what happened yesterday and what transpired. And what happened yesterday now was the neighbors, we have some neighbors, and they have some dog. I don't understand them dog. So yesterday, dog attacked the herd, and then next thing you know, one piece of me off it. The minute me hear so late. The minute me hear, me make my way down a hillside. You see? Yes, that's a hill by the way, peeps. You see that hillside there? I top this up. My blaze come down from. Swing from tree to tree like Tarzan just to see if me can stop it from going no further. Cause it don't sound like then kill off a portion already. When me reach down, me realize yeah man, this time them do damage. And me don't know if me for sure. I don't know if me for sure it, but like even where I'm sitting right now, I have one I don't know if me for sure it or if YouTube are gonna allow me, but like it's quite depressing for knowing you work so hard and you have to go like people, animals are gonna just come and just do your crap bad. This job take dedication, I can tell you that. So any aspiring goat farmers know that the advice I would give to y'all, make sure anything structure right. You know say you do your proper fencing, you know your pen is built properly and all them something. They go hard at it because at the end of the day you can profit. Especially in Jamaica, goat meat is very, very hard to come upon because not a lot of people doing goat farming. So basically, that's my advice to you, and I just want to say it's disappointing to see the goat them just get devoured like that. Never had in a day. How long we been doing this now? Roughly 2 year now. Never had a dog attack. I'm showing a little piece, like just show the foot, but me not gonna show like the damage. Me no know, me really don't know if me can show this on YouTube, but let me show you. So your peeps, that's just a part of it, you know. That's what one of the damage what them do. Next one over this, so just to show the foot, cause I don't know if YouTube guidelines will allow me to be this graphic. And yeah, man, I was able to stop the attack and a numerous amount of them. So, and one is still not accounted for. One right now, I'm so happy I got the chance to come down in time because one actually have a large, a nice size bite on the side, you know. And when we reach down at the dark, then corner that one, there, whoosh, you know, like how lion do in a jungle, corner them prey in a pot, yeah man, I saw them deal with the thing. And if you know your works are hard still, man, and them thing that happen, boy, you know, feel good, you know. So, I have to be a man about it, and if this is what Country Boy want to do, then we just have to continue it, but structure I think different, count this as a loss, move on, and do our best to strive and stay free from such occurrence. You see me? So, yes, peeps, it's original Country Boy, man. Especially the kid what them kill, man, is like he's in the intro video. The one where I say, come here, come here, come here. DJ will call him. I never see a goat so happy in my life. If you having a bad day, you look on the little goat, I just show him all ago. You look on the little goat, him happy animal. Jump is like a dog. Him just happy and everywhere me there him back at me, you know? Yeah, so them dog devour him, you know. Yeah, so you know, we just have to move on and it's really sad, it crush your heart cause I climb hill every day with them 7 days a week, no break. You know, and it's hard, you know. Pen off clean, you know, and it's very time consuming, you know. It's like me have little time for myself, you know. So it put in a lot of work and there is like you know the loss is so high because of various amount of attacks, you know. So like different type of attacks like the season, like natural causes attacks and then boom. This now. It really demotivating. But you know, you have to be strong and you just have to overcome. I just want to say to my other business partners them, knowing the angry and thing about you know what the happenings and how it might affect you. And we know where we stand and how we feel about it, how it really impact us because we know where we at right now and what we're trying to do, we're trying to build. But you know, I just say keep motivated, yeah, and we'll definitely come back harder. Yeah, man. Hit we hard, but you know, we'll come back with that punch the way we just boom. So it was really heartbreaking, I'm not gonna lie to you. But you know, life I go lick you down sometime. But make sure say you get up, continue, explore if you know just assess the problem properly and do it as best and if you're going to do this, put your heart in it. You see me? Do structure it well. That's my advice to you. structure it well, and it will definitely strive. On that note, RIP to the goat them are dead, because never did want to see no dead, so you have to make good things, you have to take bad things to joke sometime, old people. That's I never want to see them dead, so although I sell me, would I sell them off, so because I can't kill them, and just too nice. Them coming like pet, let us boom, sell them. Whoever have them do what they want to. But I still never want to see them dead, so I just want to say RIP to the goat them. DJ, that little baby goat them, me find a favorite and boom, my favorite gone again. DJ, love you to my heart, my little goat. And yeah, rest in peace. This is Country Boi. This video was a really hard one to make, cause really you know why it was a really hard one to make. And yeah, man, everybody please like, share, subscribe, and to every goat farmer out there, yeah, structure and a thing well, and yeah, man, big up. Thank you for watching.